From kids to elders, if there's anything that is loved by all, it's Pani Puri. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 5 different flavors of Pani Puri. Let's get started. Let's begin with our first flavor, the Chatpata Pudina Pani. In a grinder, I'm adding 1 cup of green coriander leaves, half a cup of mint leaves, 2 roughly cut green chillies, and 1 cup of water. Let's grind this. Once it's done, it should look like a thick green paste. I'm pouring this paste into a big bowl. Now let's add 1 tablespoon roasted jeera powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon dry mango powder, 2 teaspoons black salt, 1.5 tablespoons chaat masala, 1 teaspoon regular salt, and finally 3 cups of cold water. It's time to mix it up. Make sure there are no lumps. Now I'm squeezing in the juice of 1 lemon. Mix again. Finally, I'm adding some bundi and giving it one last mix. And our Chatpata Pudina flavor pani is ready. Let's move on to the next flavor, which is Jeera flavor. For that, in a bowl, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of roasted jeera powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of chaat masala, 2 teaspoons of black salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's add 3 cups of cold water to this spice mix. Squeeze in juice of 1 lemon. Time to mix. Once it's properly mixed, I'm adding some bundi. Give it one final mix and our jeera flavored pani is ready. Let's move on to the next flavor, which is tamarind flavor pani. In a grinder, I'm adding 1 cup of imli or tamarind water, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Let's grind this. Now I'm pouring this paste into a bowl and adding 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 teaspoons of black salt, 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 cups of cold water, and mix it. And finally, I'm adding some bundi. Time to mix. With this, our tamarind flavor pani is ready. Now, our next flavor of pani is garlic flavor. In a grinder, I'm adding 8 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon jeera powder, half a teaspoon black salt, half a teaspoon regular salt, and 2 tablespoons of water. Now let's grind this into a thick paste. Once the paste is ready, take it in a big bowl. Into this, I'm adding 3 cups of cold water and some bundi. Finally, add the juice of 1 lemon and mix well. With this, our garlic flavored pani is ready. Let's move on to our final flavor, which is Hing. In a big bowl, I'm adding half a teaspoon of Hing or Asafoetida, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of roasted jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of black salt, and 3 cups of cold water. Now let's mix it well. Finally, I am adding some bundi and stirring it one last time. And here our final Hing flavored pani is ready. These tangy flavors will fulfill everyone's craving, so do try them and enjoy. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.